Hey everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created an Easter deco mesh wreath using the Gingham plaid bunny we recently painted here on my channel. If you're new here to Country Charm by Tracy, please subscribe and hit that bell notification to be notified when I upload new videos. So let's get started. I'm starting with a 16-inch work wreath form that I picked up at an after Christmas sale at Hobby Lobby, and then the mesh is a 21-inch mesh. It is burlap and it has a wide ivory stripe to it, and I got this at Hobby Lobby in the Easter section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the poof method and averaging about 10 to 12 inches of poofs. I just eyeball it, but I'm measuring it here. It's about 10 inches, and I'm just going to create the poofs all the way around the wreath. These adorable little plastic eggs from Hobby Lobby are a perfect addition to my Easter wreath. Now, what I've discovered is these plastic eggs have two holes in the bottom part of the egg, and so I just took a chenille stem and just threaded it through the inside, and that is what I'm going to attach to the wreath. And to ensure that the egg doesn't pop open, I took some Aleene's tacky glue and I glued the eggs shut. Now I'm just positioning the wooden bunny, trying to figure out where I want it to be on the frame and where I need to drill my holes. I have my electric drill, and I'm going to drill 4 small holes in the bunny, and then I will use wire to attach the bunny to the frame, and I will show you. This is my favorite way to attach signs to my wreaths. and I've been doing this for years, and I'm going to show you how I twist my wire to give it a finished decorative edge. I like to use a coordinating color, especially with these seasonal wreaths and different things like that. So I have some hot pink or fuchsia wire. I think I got this from Craft Outlet, and I cut the wire long enough so that it would, you know, wrap around the base of my wreath, my frame, and then I thread it through the back to the front. And so in the area of where the holes are. And so this is a little time consuming, a little tedious, but it really makes the end result so cute. I use my needle nose pliers to give a spiral technique or effect to the wire. The wire has to be bendable, and so I just turn it over on itself, and it just really gives it a finishing touch. We can't forget about a fluffy little bunny tail. I got these extra large pom-poms over at Hobby Lobby. Check out my other playlist here on my channel for more crafty ideas with a bit of country charm. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification so you won't miss a thing. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. God bless.